Alright guys, today we are going to adjust the carburetor on a Ryobi, what's that, 725REZ, I think? Yeah, 725REZ weed eater, gas trimmer. This is an old thing from the 90s. I can't believe it still runs. I just did the fuel lines, filters, that's in the video before. All those parts are in the description of that video. But it's running rich, so we're going to be adjusting the carburetor. There's two adjustment screws right there, flatheads. We're going to concentrate on the one closest to the choke arm. That one is the high end at full throttle, and since it's running rich, we're going to go clockwise. Most of the time with the issue with these is as soon as you hit the throttle, they'll bog out and shut off. If that's your issue, that'll go counterclockwise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cover off just so we can get a better view of what's going on. That's T25 or flathead screws. I've already taken them out. You bring your choke, partial, boom, it's right there. All right, so now you can really see in here what's going on. All right, so let me get my still carburetor tool. That's what I use to adjust these, and get somebody else to hold this camera. All right, so we're going to fire it up. We're going to adjust this screw with the little still screwdriver. Let me turn it on here. Pain in the ass to do it because it's vibration. Let me get a pretty different screwdriver. You get a little bit higher RPM. So this was spitting fuel out at first, and that was kind of the issue. Pause it. Alright, so it was spitting fuel out at first, and that was the issue. It was clogging up the air filter and making it really bog out when this was on there. I just leaned it out. Again, if you have to, you can turn it counterclockwise if it's bogging out and shutting off because it's not enough fuel, and then you turn it counterclockwise. Most of the time that's actually going to be your issue. And we're going to get this back on there. T25, 4 screws. Again, you don't have to take it off. You can do all that, choke off, you can get right to them right there. The one on the closest to the engine is the air-fuel mixture for idle, but you're not going to be messing with that. Occasionally you might have to. You might have to turn it like just a touch counterclockwise, you know, if you're going real far with the one closest to the choke, and it isn't, you know, it seems like you're going too far, you'll turn the one closest to choke back in and turn that one out just a touch, and then retry to adjust it. But most of the time it's just the one closest to choke, the high end. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Today's t-shirt will be in the description below. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'm more than happy to have you. Peace.